guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are actually lined up at the moment for All Asian Day at Lakeside Raceway. So we've been sitting in traffic for like 45 minutes now, but we're getting there slowly. There's like quite a bit of a lineup, as you can see, in front and behind. But yeah, we've been, like, both sides of the road were completely blocked and we've been slowly getting in there. So today we've got like bought VIP tickets, so we've got pit lane parking and we've got some extra sessions on the track. So basically what you do is pretty much just a cruise session, and what you generally end up doing is just lining up with someone on the straight, having a bit of a roll race, and you do that over and over again because you can't really go fast in the corners, so everyone just kind of just goes slow all the time until you get to that main straight. So yeah, should be a fun day. Generally massive turnout to these things, a lot of quality cars. So yeah, I'm going to do my best to film some of the cars. I'll get the other camera with the gimbal out. I'm going to probably put the 360 camera on the back of the Evo so we can film some of the track stuff. And yeah, just generally try and get as much footage as we can because it's a fun day. Try and show that in video form. So yeah, with that said, we're still slowly rolling in. We'll veer off into our little VIP section to head off to our pit lane parking, and once we're parked up, I'll show you guys the cars we're with and some of the cars around, and then yeah, we'll get onto the track. Alright guys, well we are headed out on track for our first VIP session. So basically just still cars are all getting out at the moment, so we probably won't be able to go too fast yet, but yeah, we've got the 360 camera set up on the back, so if I get any good runs in I will film them. And yeah, it should be a bit of fun. It's pretty packed, so I don't know how it's going to go. There's a lot of cars in the VIP pit lane section, so it'll be interesting to see if we get many runs or not, but yeah, I'll cut to those once we do. guys, I've jumped in with Jamie and his 10MR. Thought he had a session that I didn't have, so I thought why not just go for a spin, and yeah, his car's got the same setup as mine, so pretty quick. So yeah, see what sort of cars you can run up against. I don't have the 360 camera on his car though, but just get the GoPro shots and yeah, see what sort of runs we can get. So this thing that Jamie's probably going to run against next, 800 horsepower, sequential, absolute monster, built by AK Racing. So it's going to be interesting to see what like 400 horsepower against 800 horsepower is going to be if we run him, which I think we will. Oh, this is going to be a bloodbath. Surprising. Your car felt strong there. I don't know if he was like half throttle playing with you or something.
He must be playing with me, there's no way.
It's double the horsepower. But he was coming, like I was looking back and he was coming. Yeah. But on this track you can't, like, you're not meant to go too fast, so but, you know, you got to back off at some point. Alright, round 2 I guess. On that side?
Yeah.
Yep. So Alan from AK Racing in the hatch and got him. So I raced him earlier and he hit limiter. I don't know if he did again, but hey, these are Intense 56 turbos that me and Jamie have, putting in work today. Now there's another Evo that we want to race. Don't know where he's gone, silver one.
I think I might.
So we'll see if we can catch him. Oh yeah, there he is.
Very good.
Here we go. Hey! Go. Damn, he's got some power.
Yeah.
With a manual as well.
Even with the gear changes, I still couldn't catch it.
Yeah. That's a good run though.
Run it again.
He slightly got the hit.
Yeah.
You jumped! From the line or? From the line? Yeah. That thing is quick. Alright guys, end of the session in Jamie's car. Had like some actually really good runs. Last one against that like super quick turboed, I believe, S2000, and then yeah, we actually feel like he got all the good runs in his car, so I'm glad I jumped in with him at the last second. But yeah, so now I've got 2 more sessions and 1 more VIP session. I don't know if we're going to stay for both the 2 sessions. I've already done a bit of walking around and filming the cars, but it was just hot, and I don't know, I didn't film as many as I wanted probably, and a lot of sun coming through, so don't know if the clips will turn out any good, but yeah, we're going to at least 2 more sessions, I think, in my car. So yeah, keep doing that. A lot more good cars.
I'm a drop in the ocean, just a phase in a